Hello, welcome to BMC Helix video solution. In this video, I will be covering steps to download and install a Windows connector, and then we'll check how to stop and start a connector service. So let's get started. First, we will understand what is a connector. A connector is a container designed to simplify the collection and consumption of data from log sources. It includes a runtime environment that enables communication with the BMC Helix portal. There are four types of supported connector available in Log Analytics: Linux connector, then CentOS connector, Windows connector, and Docker connector. In this video, we'll download and install the Windows connector. So here's the document link for your reference. So before proceeding with the demo, as a prerequisite, we need to ensure that the installation of the connector should be on the Windows server and the version should be 2012 or later. Additionally, we need to ensure that the user must have the necessary privilege to execute a batch file and install an application as a service. Make sure we need to install only one connector for a Windows server to avoid any port conflicts. So let's start with a demo. This is my Windows Server 2016 standard version. Let's log into the BMC Helix portal. So I will launch BMC Helix Log Analytics. Now from the collection menu, I will click on connectors. I will create one new connector. Will provide the connector name. So I'm providing test and followed by server name. I will select the connector type. So in my case, it is Windows connector. I will download the connector file. It will also download the installation script. Now, as you can see, my connector and installation script is downloaded in this location. I will copy in one of the folder. I will paste it here. Now I will extract this. As you can see that the file is extracted. Now we'll copy this BMC dev tool here only. Now we'll execute the bat file as an administrator. So the connector is installed and start as a Windows service. Just to confirm that, we'll access the connector logs, which is inside this dev tool, TD agent. As you can see, TD agent.log is showing that the Fluent worker is now running. We'll validate the service status in services.msc. So as you can see, the service got created with the same name as connector and which is in running status. Now we'll check the status of connector in Log Analytics UI. Just save it. Click on OK. Now as you can see, the connector got created and which is in active state. We will try start and stop of connector services from services console and command prompt. As you can see, currently the service is in running state. Let's stop the connector by running the command from command prompt. So let's open CMD. We'll stop the connector. Command is sc stop and followed by the service name. Hit enter. Now we'll refresh this. As you can see, the connector got stopped. Now we'll start the connector service. Now Windows connector is ready to collect the logs. Thank you for watching.